Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about fixing your sticky buttons on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel phone, if you're looking to enable or disable these sticky keys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And now you want to scroll down and select the accessibility button on this page. And then you want to scroll down until you get to the physical keyboard options center and then select where it says sticky keys. Press one key at a time for shortcuts instead of holding keys down together. If you want to enable this feature, go ahead and click inside the oval to turn it on. Otherwise, you can disable it by clicking inside the oval until it's grayed out. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.